Your lesson essential question is, how do we use number lines to multiply? So today we're going to be multiplying again. And the strategy we're using is a number line. Remember, multiplication is like repeated addition. A number line shows numbers in ascending order, so they get bigger or greater as the number line goes up. Yesterday you learned that multiplication is an operation that gives you the total number when you join equal groups. If I had 3 times 3, factors are the numbers that are being multiplied. So 3, 3, and 3 are factors. Your product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Clara is making gift bags for her 5 friends. She wants to put 3 glitter pens in each gift bag. How many glitter pens does Clara need? Take a second and decide, what is this question asking me to find? Okay, we're trying to find how many glitter pens Clara needs. What information will help me solve this problem? We know that there are 5 friends, and she wants to put 3 glitter pens in each bag. So we're making groups of 3. If I were to draw a picture, I would draw 5 groups with 3 pens in each group. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is the same as saying 3 5 times. So 3 times 5. Let's take a look at how we would solve this on the number line. So we know we have 5 groups of 3. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump 3. This is one group of 5, one group of the 5. Three plus 3 is 6. We're doing this 5 times because there's 5 groups of pens. Nine plus 3 is 12. One more group, 15. So we have one group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3, 5 groups of 3, and we end on 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. We can even check our work by counting the pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We still get 15.